Today I've just received this parcel. It says here fragile fresh fruit. Oh, this is an exotic fruit I ordered the other day. Now let's see what is inside here. So it's well packed. Look at that, well packed and well sealed. So I'm going to just cut the tape here. Cut the tape here. So just be with me as I open this fragile parcel, and we want to see together what is in there. It's an exotic fruit. So we are going to discover together what this fruit is all about. So just do it gently. It is coming from the exotic fruit, which I bought online. So we have done the tape, and now we want to try to open it gently. Just wonder what I can do here. I think I can just give it a slit here. Just give it a slit here. Wow, look at that. It's like easy to open. Look at that. The packaging is excellent. Look at that. So I'm going just to pull it out and see what's in here. Surprises. Wow, I love the packaging. Look at that. Nice packaging. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see what's in here. It is really, really amazing how they do the packing. And there's tape here. So I'll just place here and remove this tape. And then we will see together what is in this. So there is some bubble wrap again. It is quite a good thing to do with the fruit because they say it's fragile. Wow, look at that. Can you believe this fragile fruit? Look at that. And maybe you'll guess what this the fruit is. So the final unwrapping of this exotic fruit. Wow, amazing. Look at that. It is a great fruit with some spikes. I wonder if anybody knows about this. I know it. This is soursop. Look at that. Incredible. So let me check if there's another one. I place it gently here. Is there another one? Oh. Oopsie. I need to careful. It's fruit. I don't want to damage it before I consume it. So let's see. It seems there's another one. Wow. There's another one again. Look at that. So 2 of exotic fruits, 2 soursops, well packaged from the exotic shop. So again, we use the knife to do the tape. And just be careful. You don't want to poke it because maybe we have to have a few days before we eat it. So just do it gently. Let me show you how I do it. Do it gently. Wow, and revealing another exotic fruit. I told you it's a soursop. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Wonders of nature. Look at that. It's like a monster. Look at it. Like a head here, and these spikes are awesome. So please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be showing you more of these beautiful fruits. This is soursop. Thanks everybody for watching. So there is something else remaining in the packaging. Let's see. Wow, look at that. These fruits are from the exotic fruit, and there are some flyers here. This flyer, it says, "Thank you for your purchase. We want you to enjoy your fruit at its best. So please unpack your fruit immediately and follow the storage guidelines shown on our website." Wow, www.myexoticfruit.com. So this is one of the flyers. I have another flyer as well here. It says My Exotic Fruit. You could save some dollars or some pounds on the next order. My Exotic Fruit. So the best posts and stories will win 75% off next order. So maybe I might be a winner. You never know. So I love exotic fruits. I love this shop. So I hope I will be considered a winner. And we have another flyer. It says, with compliments. They are thanking me for the order. And they say, today your order was packed and packed back. There's a signature there of the person who packed the fruits. So see, this is incredible and a good customer service. And this is the one I like best. It says, soursop storage and usage. Please remove the soursop from the box and keep it in a warm place. It is ready to eat once it is soft, and when it is soft all over. So we need to make sure it's soft. And this one, if you poke it, is still very hard. So we are going to keep it in a warm place. So one soft soursop must be refrigerated and can be usually kept at least for 5 days. So 5 days from now, we'll be enjoying the soursop. And they also say to consume the soursop, simply slice it in half, scoop out the white flesh. The seeds and skin are not eaten. Never eat the skin. Only eat what is inside. Seeds not eaten, skin not eaten. And then they say, if you wish, you can freeze the soursop flesh for consuming at a later date. So even after the 5 days, you can freeze the soursop once it's ready and eat it later. So see the incredible exotic fruit shop with all this information. I hope you are going to consider ordering from My Exotic Fruit. Thanks.